Hello everyone, so we got another package. So, this is the box. And yes, just taped like this. These are ND filters. So we have 2, 4, and so we'll try to quickly see as well how it will be making a difference. So just putting it on this. No change. Yeah, I think lights being filtered out. So now it is ND-4. Yep, so if you see glare and all are not there, now we will be coming into the 8. Should be a lot darker. Yeah, you can see it's more darker than the previous ones, and this was ND-16, so should be the darkest before. Yeah, see, you're not able to see anything. So these 4 ND filters we have got. I'll clean it and sorry for that noise. So that's it. Thanks for watching.